Family, friends, how we all doing? I'm up at Santichon Village in Mae Hong Son in Pai Thailand. Just ordered some cow soy Yunnan noodles, and I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. I'm excited, I'm hungry. Haven't eaten yet. It's about 11:30, Thursday, December 23rd, 2021. So, hope you guys are all doing well. Everybody's in the holiday spirits, and the world's treating you okay during these interesting times, eh? So, I'm gonna show you guys the food. We'll check back in. See you guys in a second. Wow. Cow soy Yunnan looking amazing. I'm excited. All right, we also got some khao khao mu with some nam tim. Khao khao mu Yunnan. And gonna load it up. This nam tim. Oh yeah. Khao soy Yunnan. Super excited. Too excited to talk. It's so good.
Good background. So good with the right and
Let you guys know how it is, but I already know it's going to be amazing. That's on point. Oh Lord, Lord have mercy. Yeah. Yeah. That's amazing. So delicious, yeah.
like seafood sauce. That's so good. I love it. Perfect.
I used to tell my mama, when I get big, I'll have enough for all of us, I'm not just a little kid. Used to tell my mama I'm a man child, got no time for the candy aisle. I used to tell my mama, when I grow up, guess what? I'm gonna spray paint graffiti, become a lyrical artist and make a CD. And you know what?
ร้านอาหารชื่ออะไรครับ
ร้านชื่ออย่างเจ้าอาหลง restaurant
อาลอง
อาหลง
อาลอง
like นาหลง
นาลองอาลอง Okay. Along Restaurant in Santichon Village. อร่อยที่สุดเลยครับ พูดจริงๆ
across the big tree
Across from the big tree here. You'll just pass the entrance, come up the road, big tree, boom. Ranahan Along.
come and look this
5 star. 5 stars.
oil
Put jing jing.
from the seeds like hope seeds
Wow.
makwan I don't know how to call English
Like pepper, yeah?
like pepper but it's not black pepper
Looks
you know,
beautiful.
the one
Oh yeah, okay. I'm not sure the name, yeah. Like the green pepper but different. You guys definitely got to check this place out, yeah? real treat to get traditional Yunnan food up here in Northern Thailand, yeah? It's honestly some of my favorite.
Smell good.
Is this the wood for the cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
เปิดกี่ปีแล้วคะ10 กว่าปีแล้ว more than 10 years.
Sit home.
10 more than
More than 10. More than 10 years she's been running this place. Kun chu arai kam?
อาหลง
No, kun.
Yes, she name อาหลง
Oh.
อาวู
Ow.
อาวู
Ow. Ow.
อาวู
How? Ow.
อันนี้เป็นผู้หญิงคนที่ห้าเลยเขาเอา
อาวู
Ow. She'll cook you up the most amazing.
Thailand have like 5 ladies, 5 women.
Wow.
It's the number 5.
Oh, okay.
Awu it means 5.
5. Ah.
อีซันซื่อวู
Ah, you remember. Good job, yeah?
อีซันซื่อวูเลี้ยวชีปาจิวซู
Gang ma, Kap. Hey, hey. Okay. So, number 5, we'll cook you up the best Yunnan noodles, I promise. Yeah? You have to check this out, yeah?
กินส่ง
Oh, coconut Kap.
เจ้า
Wow.
กินหวานอยู่ช่วงนี้
Okay.
หวาน
One.
อยู่
Some.
ส้ม
Coconut Kap.
หวาน
ที่มันไม่สวยไม่หวานอยู่
Oh, my mouth is full of so many good flavors, yeah?
yeah
It's one of the, when you eat good food in Thailand, like Yunnan food or Isan food, or my mother-in-law's cooking,
South food
South
Northern
food, all of it. When it's a good meal, you're gonna have flavors bouncing off the inside of your mouth for like 30 minutes after you finish eating, yeah? And your lips tingling from the spice. I love it. Thanks for coming along today, you guys. This restaurant is awesome. Please come here if you come to Santichon Village. You won't be disappointed. Okay, so Roy Sisit Baht, which is under $5, yeah? Plus a 20 baht tip. Roy Hoksit Baht, which is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Just over $5 for that amazing meal, US. Can't beat it, yeah? $5 US, yeah? Amazing.
Gabriel orange
And so generous, giving us free oranges too, yeah? Cool.
เชิญเขามาแอลล้านมาอุดหนุนล้านพี่อู้เป็นภาษาจีน welcome
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yindi rap cup?
ต้อนรับ
Yindi don rap cup? Okay. Okay. Coconut cup. Cup. All right, you guys. We might go cruise around just a little bit, and then we'll check in a little bit. Show you guys how this village looks like. It's pretty cool cruising around Santichon Village, yeah? I'll have the wife hold the camera as I drive, yeah? Because it's steep. All right.
What? I think she's starting to believe me. Used to tell my mama, and I still do. Half full or half empty, my cup is spill proof. Veteran in my youth who knew better than you. Rockin' moon boots, got a couple loose screws. Used to tell my mama, we need a new plan, cause you can't send a letter with food stamps. Going through life so effortlessly, you're gonna pay the price inevitably. Just give me a beat and pay me no mind, and keep hanging sheets on the clothesline. Used to say, Mom, I got flavor like a ham hock, and I don't wanna live with Grandma. I told her we'll get out of here one day, hopefully. And you know what she said? Totally. We're just monkeys in the middle, little idiot savant. You can go ahead and get as big as you want. Used to tell my mama, when I get big, I'll have enough for all of us. I'm not just a little kid. Used to tell my mama, I'm a man child. Got no time for the candy aisle. Used to tell my mama, when I grow up, guess what? I'm gonna spray paint graffiti, become a lyrical artist and make a CD. And you know what? I think she's starting to believe me. I used to say, Mama, why we moving again? I'm broadcasting signals and they're tuning in. We got a whole team of soccer hooligans. We got a bunch of goals and they shoot to win. I used to tell my mama, you ain't gotta cry no more. I'm making opportunities and prying open doors. For as long as I remember, we've been partners in crime. Beg, steal, and borrow through the hard times. Used to tell my mama nothing's ever gonna change. Why you always trying to speed up the game? Too fast for your own good, I should know. I spent my whole life just trying to go slow. I used to tell my mama, this ain't the way. We need to buy an umbrella for the rainy days. No more parties, chopping it up like razor blade. Need to step out of the darkness and radiate.
All right, that's us. Really appreciate you guys' time. Please leave a like if you did enjoy the video, and subscribe if you're not already. Turn that notification bell on if you are subscribed, and all that other jazz. You guys know the drill. Helps the channel if you do want to support it. Super grateful for you guys. Take care of your loved ones. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
My mama, but she wasn't trying to hear it. I'm young and fearless, why you crush my spirit? We've had this discussion, why we here again?